Yo, J's for days, they make them, we rape them, what up?
Hi, I was calling to inquire about a refund on a pair of shoes.
And we don't give refunds, all sales are final, B.
Yeah, I know you said that, but look, these shoes are gonna be restocking and what you charged me.
A restock? What? You gotta be kidding me.
No, seriously, the Air Jordan 3 Double Infinity. They're restocking at Foot Locker, Footaction, Eastbay, and Nike.com on Memorial Day weekend for $200.
The Air Jordan 3 double what?
Double Infinity?
Do you mean the 88s?
No, Double Infinity, obviously, because they're going to last forever.
Dude, those are not infinity symbols. Those are 8s. The shoe originally dropped in 19... You know what? Never call me again. Never. What?
Okay, what about a refund on the Air Jordan 4 Wiz Khalifas that you sold me? They're restocking at Finishline.
The what?
Wiz Khalifa, you know, the black and yellow pair?
So, what's up guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just having a little fun, but enough of all the fun. Let's get to the real information you want to know. Let's talk about the restock. First thing you should know is that mostly everything that I'm talking about right now will be dropping on May 25th. The Air Jordan 3 Retro 88 will be dropping online at Nike.com, Footlocker.com, and Eastbay.com in men's and grade school sizing. Pricing is $200. Now, there will be a lot of stuff dropping in store. Foot Locker will be getting the Air Jordan 1 Retro Joker, the Air Jordan 4 Retro Fire Red, and the Air Jordan 5 Retro Fire Red, and these at select stores. Footaction will be getting the Air Jordan Retro 3 Joker, and that will be in store only. Finally, Finishline will be getting the Air Jordan 4 Thunder, and they will have them both online and in store. And Champ Sports will be getting the Black Cement Red Air Jordan 4 that dropped on Black Friday, but it will only be in store. There's also some talk about Nike Store getting a couple things. One of those things is the Air Jordan 8 Bugs. They're also supposed to be getting the Air Jordan 11 BRED, and I've also heard that they will be getting the Air Jordan 9 Cool Gray as well as the Air Jordan 3 Joker. The Nike Store stuff I haven't had a chance to confirm yet, but it sounds pretty good and I think that stuff is going to happen as well. So this is your Memorial Day restock. It's like Jordan Brand Crazy, so make sure you check out for all of that stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, favorite, share, tell a friend, and all of that good stuff. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Peace.